Today in this video, I wanted to talk about the Google Pixel 8a, the latest device that Google has just launched. And yes, I am a Google Pixel user and I use the Google Pixel 8 Pro as one of my daily drivers as the Android counterpart as of filming this video. And when I was looking at this device, I was really excited before I was about to just put my order because I wanted to gift this Google Pixel 8a to my mom because she is traveling to Canada very soon, and I just thought that why not the Google Pixel 8a, because first it is cheap and it is almost the same device as the Google Pixel 8. And then I did a bit more research and I did not purchase the Google Pixel 8a, and here in this video I just want to talk about the very same because there are some other devices like the Google Pixel 8 and the OnePlus 12R that are just so much more amazing value than the Google Pixel 8a, even though the Google Pixel 8a is still a very good device to start with. So first, what is the Google Pixel 8a? Now for the starters, the A series is one of the most popular series from Google, and yes, I would just give some credit to Google for making the best Android mid-range smartphones that we have got in the market right now. Now this Google Pixel 8a is one of those devices that is the latest one in the series, and this is priced at $499. And yes, this is not the most cheap device that you have got in the market, but yes, it is again not the most expensive device. But now there is an issue with this Google Pixel 8a, and that is not in this device itself, but that is again about the pricing of this Google Pixel 8a, because as of filming this video I can purchase the Google Pixel 8, the regular one, for about 550 US dollars. That is again an insane value, and the only difference at this point is about $50 if I put my money towards the Google Pixel 8a versus what I buy, that is the Google Pixel 8. And also I want to mention about the OnePlus 12R as well in this video, so just listen me carefully in this video. Well, this latest Google Pixel A series is not very different than what you had in the last year, and Google just copied the very same formula of using all the same components inside that was there in the Google Pixel 8 series, the regular one, and cutting on the things that makes the most sense over here. Now this Google Pixel 8a has got the same G3 Tensor chip, a slightly larger battery, about 4492 mAh to be exact, wireless charging this time as well, 7 years of software support, and the best cameras that you can get in this very same price range. And also the build quality on these phones is also very good. So I would say that the Google Pixel 8 is almost similar to the Google Pixel 8 in the terms of the design as well, but it is a bit more shorter, and also it has got some thicker bezels on the front. And also I just want to mention that this new device, the Google Pixel 8a, has got an improved display with 120 Hz of variable refresh rate on the screen. That is also a great thing, and also the display in itself is a bit more brighter than what we had on the Google Pixel 7a from the last year. So yes, there has been a lot of improvements, but now this price is costing about 499 US dollars, and the Google Pixel 8 at the same time is about 550 US dollars with all those discounts that Google just loves to throw. Now, as I said before, the Google Pixel 8a is an improved device in comparison to what we had in the past year, but again, there has been a lot of new AI features added to this Google Pixel 8a as well, and this is one of the best and the first Android smartphones to get the Nano Gemini AI that is native on the device, unlike the other devices that we have got into the market. And this means a lot for this Google Pixel 8a because it is a very cheap device and it has got all those AI capabilities on this smartphone. But this also means that now you have got two Google Assistants, one in the terms of the Gemini AI and the other one in the terms of the Google Assistant itself. But I think that when this Nano Gemini AI would be fully developed, I think it has got more potential than this Google Assistants. And again, both of these things are two very different things if you just look closely at that. The Google Assistant is more like assisting you with the day-to-day tasks like trying to use the Google Assistant to type a message and maybe calling someone or translating and so much so. But this Nano Gemini AI is this whole category of the LLM things that you're able to do with this Gemini AI models, and that makes me think that this Google Pixel 8a is one of those devices, the cheapest one in the market with all those AI features. But yet again, this also comes in some of the most amazing colors that we see in the market, that is the alloy color, the bay color, the porcelain porcelain color, the obsidian color, and I think it looks just great in all those matte coatings that you get on this Google Pixel 8a devices. And again, all these devices come with an aluminum housing with a plastic back with all these wonderful colors that we have got for this Google Pixel 8a. But now the Google Pixel 8 is more than half the way of its release cycle, and we can see again Google discounting the device multiple times. And again, as I just said, it is costing right now at $550 US, and what you get with the Google Pixel 8 in comparison to the Google Pixel 8a, it is just insane. You get a refined design, a glass back, edge-to-edge bezels, better and brighter display, larger camera sensor, the same G3 chip, the same 7 years of update in the terms of the software, and the same AI. And again, the entire package that what you get with the Google Pixel 8 in just $50 more, I think it makes the Google Pixel 8 a better device and makes me into a better position to buy the Google Pixel 8 instead of picking the Google Pixel 8a. And that was the entire point of this video. And also I wanted to compare this device with the OnePlus 12R that as of filming this video is just $399 US if you trade in any device with the OnePlus smartphone. And that is again one of the cheapest device in the market with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, better design, better camera setup on the back, and also it is the glass back instead of the plastic one. And also we get a better faster charging on the OnePlus 12R. I think the only weak point of that device is that it does not have a camera setup that is as good as what you get on the Google Pixel devices. I think that the software on the Google Pixel devices is much more better, even though the actual camera sensor on the OnePlus smartphone might be better than what you have on this Google Pixel device. And also this OnePlus 12R has got a better display with about 4500 nits of peak brightness. That is also one insane thing about that device. And even if you just do not give any device to OnePlus in the terms of the exchange to get it at discounted price, it is still priced at $499 US, and it is just an insane deal. And I would say that it is a real Google Pixel killer this year around. And that was again the whole point of this video. I think that for this year we have got some other devices in the market just like the OnePlus 12R and also the Google Pixel 8 itself. That is an insane deal as of filming this video. So I think you should go and buy the Google Pixel 8 or the OnePlus 12R rather than picking this awesome Google Pixel 8a. That by no means is a bad device, but the pricing is the key over here. That was all about this video. My name is Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.